Introducing the new Canon EOS R50V, your ultimate vlogging and photography partner.
Good day, everyone. So I have here the latest Canon EOS R50V. It's a lightweight and versatile mirrorless camera designed for both photography and videography. Equipped with a 24.2 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor and DigicX processor with 4K 30 FPS for oversample video. For Full HD, it has 120 FPS, slow motion for cinematic results. This is the power button, the shutter button, the mode dial, audio jack, micro HDMI, Type-C USB port, and 360 varia-angle LCD fully touchscreen. This is the Canon EOS R50V, the Content Creator Kit, which consists 128GB SD card, DME100 stereotype microphone with windscreen, and HD100 TBR tripod grip.